This is my Redis AI challenge project, KeyPilot. So instead of juggling 5 API keys and 15 docs, in KeyPilot you just say what you want, and it picks the right API, the right key, and gets it done fast. This is the login page. So here you can use your own credentials or keep it simple with the demo credentials. So right now I'll go with demo credential. Quick, safe, and perfect for testing. Once we log in, we see this interface. So if you scroll down a bit, you can see the Add API key section. Here we can choose the template. Right now, I'm going with the Google Gemini chat completion. We can also set the daily request, the weekly request, the daily tokens, and the max payload. We can set the API key. You can choose your own API key or use the demo key. When you press on the demo key, it automatically fetches the API key from the background. You can use your own description. Here I am going with data science. Now you can change your own scopes. So after that, you just press on the Add API key. Once that, the API key is successfully added. Now let's jump into the testing playground. This is where we make sure everything works before it goes live. First up, the API proxy. Type in the intent, tweak the prompt, and hit test. If it works, you'll see success in the response field. If not, well, that's why we test. It also shows the curl command so you can use directly in your app. So our key pilot decides the right API automatically based on the intent. Once we press the test API proxy button, we can see the response. We can see the latency, tokens, confidence, and the cache. Intent testing lets us check which template matches an intent. Type data science and hit test intent, and the Gemini template pops up. No manual searching is necessary. So basically, Cache Inspector stores both the request and the response. So when the same request is sent again and again, and instead of going it directly to the LLM, it's check if it's available in the cache. If yes, it fetches directly from the cache, so it is faster and cheaper. Here you can see the total entries, cache keys, and the cached content. Intent run shows which APIs get used most, like the text, image, you name it. It's basically API usage stats with personality. Feedback status gives you alerts, like if you have hit your token limit or crossed a threshold. It's a friendly nudge to keep things in check. Last but not least, we have the usage analytics. You can see the daily API request, the average response type, and the daily token usage. That's KeyPilot. Faster builds, cheaper runs, and smarter API calls. No key juggling, no endpoint headaches, just results.